Hi friends. One of the question that I had received was how do I focus? It could be in terms of students focusing on their studies or us focusing on your goals. I lose focus after a certain period of time. Then how do I come back to it? So today's video is about explaining some of the tips and tricks that I use to attain focus and to keep that momentum on any goals. It could be or on studies, book reading that I'm planning to continue this year. Uh, I'm Sunita, using this platform to share my learnings and my tips and tricks that I use in my life. So coming to focus, for students and first let's go with students. So for students, when you study, we don't want to sit for long time studying certain topic. You feel like you feel sleepy, you feel to take a break, you feel to watch a phone in between, you want a quick breaks in between. So even for the exam, probably they study for a day and then you lose focus on the actual goal of completing everything. So for that, this trick I'm not implemented, but something I've learned over the years is you will want to tie your studies to your ultimate goal in life. Like you're studying probably to get into a job, or to attain what do you want to do after your studies. You want to study abroad, so probably for that you need a better marks right now. So tie that to a goal that you want to achieve and probably have a picture. In Google, share similar picture which looks like the vision that you want in your life, and keep that in front of you, and keep that in the book that you're reading, or keep that in the place where you sit for your studies, so that you're looking at it frequently. So that's one thing that you can do. Similarly, you can write down like a goal statement every day in the morning and night. So I am studying to achieve so and so. I want to, or you can just say I want to do this in life. So you write that. So every time, daily when we write it once, you might not feel that it's a big thing, okay? But eventually, after a month, try this for a month, and after a month, you see how looking at it visually at a picture and you writing it down in the morning and evening, what impact it makes in your psychology of studying, because you now start enjoying it, because you see that as a pathway to your vision. That's for the students. Coming to myself, or a little more into the working and stuff like that, where you have goals. It could be losing weight, it could be targeting to study something, attain a certification for your career, reading certain books. So we have different goals that we set up, but we don't achieve it by the end of the year. So similarly, this concept of a picture is called the vision board. So create a vision board with stickers. Even if you think you will not, I'm not into vision boards and stuff, just try it once. Get that, keep it, and try these steps for a month. Creating a vision board of what you want to achieve by end of the year, and writing down those goals morning and evening. So these are two steps that I've already started writing down my goals morning and evening. Vision board is something that I'm planning to do this month. So that will definitely help you to keep you on track. Anytime you're losing focus for a day or a two, this will help you to get back, because you're doing it morning and evening. It's like you are writing it down. So you start to think about, okay, what am I doing to make this happen? Even if a day or a two slips, it helps you get back on track. The vision board, if you're seeing at it daily, unconsciously you start doing activities, you start enjoying the tasks related to it, things start coming into your life related to it. So try these two. It will help you focus on what you want to do currently, which will ultimately lead you to what you want in life. That's all I had to share. Happy learning.